pledge that I will remain committed towards cleanliness and devote time for this. I will devote 100 hours per year toward for cleanliness. I will neither deter nor let others deter. I will initiate the quest for cleanliness with myself, my family, my location, my village, and my school. Jai Hind.
It goes like this: if we don't protect nature, nature won't protect us. Now we will have a speech on Swachhata Pakhwada by Kusum Chhetri.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected teachers, my junior brothers and sisters, as well as my classmates. Today, we gather to celebrate Swachhata Pakhwada, a program initiated on the Swachh Bharat mission on 2nd October 2014, observed from 1st September to 15th September. This fortnight is a reminder for our collective responsibility towards maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in our communities. Swachhata Pakhwada is not just a celebration, but a call to action. It's a time to reaffirm our commitment to creating a cleaner, greener, and healthier environment for ourselves and the future generation. Let us use this opportunity to rededicate ourselves to the cause of cleanliness. Let us work together to ensure proper waste management, clean public space, and promote hygiene practice and more sustainable practice that contributes to long-term cleanliness and environmental protection. By doing so, we can make a significant impact and create a lasting difference. Thank you.
A dream of someone, a vision for someone, a cleaner and a greener India is a mission for everyone. Now we will have a poem recitation by Deep Chhetri.
A very good afternoon to everyone present out here. Respected teachers, my junior loving brothers and sisters, and as well as my mates. Today, I am standing in front of you all to recite a short poem, and the topic of my poem is to clean. To clean entire environment, all citizens should try. Polluted earth environment will make one day cry. Most rivers formed from melted snow of mountains pretty high are source of drinking water, oh, without which people die. All rivers are held sacred too. Why dirty them in ways? All lands need irrigation due to raise crops with sun rays. The filth in holy rivers found defies all cleaning modes. Carcasses, crops, turns abound, who stains the waterlands. When lanes with garbage littered stare, with civic sense all gone, made nature calls in open air, diseases new are born. The air we breathe be better clean, and smoke be less. The public places must be green and wear a beauteous dress. Effluent should not rivers reach, cause harm to fishery. Let clean be every road and beach, life shouldn't be a misery. Yet, cleanse your heart and minds and souls, avoiding heinous sins. Yet, cleanse your heart and minds and souls, avoiding heinous sins. Renew your aims, ambitions and goals. Keep clean with common sense. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Thank you, Deep. I really love the way you express the poem. Let us give him a big round of applause. Now quiz on Swachhata Pakhwada and health and hygiene by Avinash Chhetri.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying this short program. To make it more enjoyable, I am here to conduct a short quiz on today's topic, Swachhata Pakhwada. You all know it by now. The rules are simple. I have categorized it in two parts, one from the classes 6 to 8 and another is from classes 9 to 12. So you are not going to answer these questions house-wise, but you are going to answer these questions class-wise. One group is from class 6 to class 8 and other is from class 9 to class 12. I will explain the rules. The rules are simple. If you know that, I will also provide you the options so that it will be easier for you to answer. If you know the answer, you just need to raise your hand and say the answer after that. If you raise your hands while saying the answer, it won't be granted, it won't be considered as a right answer. And if you say the answer before raising your hands, it also won't be considered as the right answer. So, if you know the answer, just raise your hands. The captains will identify you. Then after, you can say your answer. And I hope everyone understood the rules, right? So the first question is for the category class 6 to 8. What is the theme of Swachhta Pakhwada 2024? Option A, Clean India. Option B, Waste of Wealth. Option C, Garbage Free India. If you know the answer, raise your hands. I request all the captains to identify them. I repeat myself, what is the theme of Swachhta Pakhwada 2024? Option A, Clean India. Option B, Waste of Wealth. Option C, Garbage Free India. Please stand up and raise your hand, and then you can say your answer. No, Clean India is not the correct answer. Garbage Free India is also not the correct option. So I guess you all know the answer after this. Only one option is left. So the answer was Waste of Wealth. This question is for classes 9 to 12. The Waste to Wealth theme emphasizes which one of the following? A. Reduce waste creation. B. Converting waste into valuable resource. Option C. Exporting waste to other countries. Please raise your hands. I can't see. Option B is the correct answer. This question is for again 6 to 8 category. Which government initiative is Swachhta Pakhwada a part of? Option A, Make in India. Option B, Swachh Bharat Mission. Option C, My Clean India. Please raise your hands before you answer. I repeat myself, which government initiative is Swachhta Pakhwada a part of? Option A, Make in India. Option B, Swachh Bharat Mission. Option C, My Clean India. I request all the captains to come forward and identify them. I can't see who is raising their hands up. And you say? Swachh Bharat Mission is the correct answer. This question is for again 9 to 12 category. Which initiative was launched under Swachhta Pakhwada 2024 for community engagement? Option A, Swachhta loans. Option B, Swachhta banks. Option C, Swachhta subsidy. This is for class 9 to 12. Please raise your hands before you answer the question. Option C is not the correct answer. I repeat the options once again. Option A, Swachhta loans. Option B, Swachhta banks. Option C, Swachhta subsidy. Option A is also not the correct answer. It's clear that if I only have 3 options, so you eliminated 2 of them, so it's clear that option B was the answer. So this question is also eliminated. This question is for again for classes 6 to 8. Swachhta Pakhwada was first observed in which year? Option A, 2015. Option B, 2018. Option C, 2020. Please raise your hands before you answer the question. Please raise your hands as well as stand up while saying the answer. 2020 is not the correct answer. Last guess, any guesses? Let me repeat the options once again. Swachhta Pakhwada was first observed in which year? Option A 2015, option B 2018, option C 2020. Please stand up and also raise your hand while saying the answer. 9 to 12. Which government body primarily organizes Swachhta Pakhwada in India? Option A, Ministry of Housing and Family Welfare. Option B, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Option C, Ministry of Rural Development. This question is for classes 9 to 12. Option A is not the correct answer. Option C is also not the correct answer. The correct option was option B. This next question is again for the primary, or you can say the first category, 6 to 8. What does Swachh mean in Hindi? Option A, green. Option B, bright. Option C, clean. I guess it was a very easy question, so everybody answered. This is again for the classes. This question is for the classes 9 to 12. What does Pakhwada mean in Hindi? Option A, day. Option B, week. Option C, fortnight. Please raise your hand before you answer. This question is for the senior section. Option C, fortnight is the correct answer. This question is for the primary section or 6 to 8 category. Which sector is most actively involved in the Swachhta Pakhwada initiatives? Option A, education sector. Option B, healthcare sector. Option C, environmental sector. I request everyone to please settle down. The correct answer is, of course, option C, environmental sector. This question is for classes 9 to 12. Which practice is emphasized to maintain cleanliness during Swachhta Pakhwada? Option A, recycling waste. Option B, disposing of waste in open areas. Option C, using single-use plastics. This is for the senior section. Everyone, please calm down. Option A, recycling waste is the correct answer. This question is for the primary section. During which year did Swachhta Pakhwada officially became a part of the Swachh Bharat mission? Option A, 2015. Option B, 2018. Option C, 2016. Only one of you can answer this question. Option, I repeat the option again. Option A 2015, option B 2016, option C 2018. Option C is not the correct answer. Option B 2016 is the correct answer. The senior section. Which international organization collaborated with Swachhta Pakhwada 2024 for the promotion? Option A, World Wildlife Fund. Option B, Global Green Growth Institute. Option C, International Union for Conservation of Nature. This is for the senior section. Option A, World Wildlife Fund. Option B, Global Green Growth Institute. Option C, International Union for Conservation of Nature. Option C is not the correct answer. Option B, Global Green Growth Institute is the correct answer. This is the last question for today's quiz, and this is for the primary section. So before you answer this question, I want you to stand up, raise your hand, then only answer this question, okay? Which advanced materials was featured in Swachhta Pakhwada 2024? Option A, self-cleaning nano coatings. Option B, biocomposite materials. Option C, recycled plastic construction panels. Option A is also not the correct answer. Yes, option C, recycled plastic construction panels is the correct answer. So here I conclude the today's quiz competition. So there is no result for today as everyone were so like swing hustle. So this was the last question. Thank you.
Thank you, Avinash, for conducting such an exciting quiz. Now we will have a poem recitation by Selina Chitri.
A warm delight, good afternoon one and all present over here, respected teachers and my lovely senior junior brothers and sisters as well as my mates. Myself, Selina Chetri, it is a great honor to stand in front of you all to recite a short wonderful poem on the topic cleanliness. Cleanliness, cleanliness, it brings us happiness as it makes to godliness. The divine, the beauty, the peace and the trust of nature, destroying by whom we the creature. A new flex for me and you, together we will work hand in hand for our clean and beautiful world. Enjoying the health and green, with a fresh water to drink, with a beautiful sight to be seen, with a beautiful sight to be seen. A greenery, the savior of ours, let's give few minutes, not even asking for hours. Let's give few minutes, not even asking for hours. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
Thank you, Selina. Let us give her a big round of applause. Pastor Limbu for her poem recitation.
Sewaro kereko, inga aming subasna yaktungba yakwa tiknet pani chamsa, ain kenchi dogi latik samila sit patungro pata, samila re thaming wa seseba yamdum. Niyara nomen tambung in kendu, timbung len, tambung le abiru surit le abiru ingmanin, mensamsa kere poki ang, hikum le hukka tongumang, patum lo pangbe nang sese ang, singsa nung tangbung le tumang. Tungyamba yamdu wakaro, tingman nang sese ba pung beklo. Kerik no yamba hunde in mencham len sese ba yamdum lilo. Allo is timbung ha le tumang, tayem ba yamdum ha se tumbang, pangbe ba lam ha sak tumlo, sese ba pangbe chokumlo nogen.
Now we will have a Nepali poem recitation by Angel Vista.
सबैमा नमस्कार म आज तपाईहरुको अगाडि एउटा सानो कविता वाचन गर्न गइरहेकी छु र मेरो कविताको शीर्षक छ सफाइको महत्व सफाइको महत्व सधैँ रहिरहन्छ जीवनलाई सुन्दर स्वस्थ बनाउँछ घरको कुना कुना चहकिलो बन्छ जहाँ सफा हुन्छ त्यहाँ खुसी झल्किन्छ कुनै रोग नआओस् सफाइ गरौँ स्वस्थ रहन जीवन सधैँ हर्षित गरौँ फोहोरको अन्तय सफाको विजय सफामै छ जीवनको सच्चा उदय शुद्ध हावा सफा जल सुन्दर ठाउँ सफा समाज नै हो हाम्रो स्वप्न गाउँ सफाइ गरौँ सबैले साथमा मिलेर बनाऊ संसार सुन्दर अनि रमाएर धन्यवाद
Now we have almost come to the end of the program. Lastly, we will have a speech on personal hygiene by Rubiksha Chetri.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Respected all the teachers and my friends, today I, Rubiksha Chetri of class 12 science, is here standing before you to talk about a personal hygiene. So first of all, good personal hygiene involves keeping all part of the external body clean and healthy. It is important for maintaining both health, physical and mental health. In people with poor personal hygiene, the body provides an ideal environment for germs to grow, leaving it vulnerable to infection. On the social level, people may avoid a person with poor personal hygiene, which may result in isolation and loneliness. There are many types of personal hygiene. So the good starting for someone looking to build a personal hygiene routine is starting with the dental hygiene. First of all, the dental hygiene not only involves just having the white teeth. A good dental hygiene routine can help to prevent many issues such as gum disease and cavities. It can also prevent the bad breath. Next is the body hygiene. Several million sweat glands cover the human body. When bacteria break down the sweat, The process creates the smell or body odor. Washing the body will prevent skin irritation as well as removing the bacteria that cause body odor. And next is hand washing. Regular hand washing is one of the best ways to avoid spreading communicable diseases. The Center for Disease Control and Prevention CDS recommend washing the hand at certain times before, during and after preparing food, before eating meal, before and after treating a wound or cut, after blowing the nose, coughing or sneezing, after touching garbage or dirty surfaces, after handling pets, and after going to the bathroom. And the next is nails. Fingernails, which we mostly care about, may harbor dirt and germs, contributing to the spread of germs and bacteria. It is easier for dirt and germs to collect under the longer nails, so keeping your nails shorter can help reduce the risk of spreading infections. Next is regular showering, which is really important in our life. But stream showers and other bathing methods can help to increase the blood flow and improve the immune function and make it easier to breathe. Last but not the least, I'd like to talk about the menstrual hygiene, which is really important. Hygiene related practices of women during menstruation are of considerable importance as it may increase vulnerability to reproductive tract infections, which is also known as RTIs. Lack of knowledge regarding the menstruation and menstrual hygiene lead to the poor attitude and practice. There are various issues like awareness and quality of napkins, regular supply, water supply, privacy, disposal of napkins, reproductive health education and family support need simultaneous attention for promotion of menstrual hygiene. There are many health implications of having poor personal hygiene like chronic diarrhea, scabies, swimmer ears and ringworm, etc. So keeping the body clean has a positive effect on person's social life and the physical and mental health. Last but not the least, I would like to say that developing and maintaining a personal hygiene routine is the key to have a healthy body and mind. Thank you. Have a wonderful day ahead.